Hi, I'm Sue and I am a very keen and passionate gardener. I've come from a long generation of gardeners. My great-granddad, my granddad and my father are all gardeners. And it's not just gardening, it's vegetable growing that I'm really passionate about. Growing vegetables is really important to me. They taste so much better and it's nice just to have that kind of sustainable way of living as well. Gardening and just being out in my garden is my happy place as well. So I got in touch with GRAF about a few problems that I was having. I was having issues not capturing rainwater at the front of the house, and also at the back of the house, my 2 water butts were starting to get really old and leak. So we've got no kind of back access to the side of our house. So it meant that we can't get water easily through to the front garden. So last summer when we had the hosepipe ban, it was a real strain to kind of water the vegetable garden and the flowers as well. So we've got now a water butt at the front of the house for the front garden and a really nice and attractive looking one that kind of goes with our grey and green theme in the garden. And it can hold more water than the 2 we had previously, which is much better. I also wanted to get a new compost bin. I had a very small beehive one that had been there for years. So I thought, why not just get a compost bin, which I can just use all year round and then use my own compost. I also got in contact with GRAF about getting some raised beds. I needed some kind of tall raised beds initially because I grow potatoes in the back garden, and the solution I kind of had was using tyres, but I wasn't getting enough height out of them and they didn't look great either. So now I've got some really good raised beds I can put my potatoes in. It'll also stop the little foxes from digging them up as well, which is great. And then I've got some smaller raised beds as well that kind of separate the flowers from the vegetable patch, so the nutrients aren't being sucked out by the flowers and by the kind of onions and carrots. So really looking forward to using them this summer as well. I chose the water butts from GRAF because they look really good in my garden. I've got a bit of a grey and green theme going on, and it's really important to me to have, like, you know, the water butts in the garden for the summer so I can water the garden in a more sustainable way, but also looks really attractive in the garden as well. So when I got in touch with GRAF, Alan was absolutely brilliant at helping me kind of decide what I needed for my garden. The communication process was really, really quick as well, and I just found the whole process really smooth and a great company to deal with. Then when the guys came out to fit the water butts and install the raised beds and the compost bin, it's a really smooth and easy process. So I've just had everything installed by GRAF today and I'm really pleased. It'll be interesting to see what this summer brings with the weather. There'll probably be some more hosepipe bans, and if there are, I am fully prepared. I've got a water butt in the front garden for my flowers, and I've got a water butt in the back garden so I can water my vegetables. So there'll be no dead flowers and my vegetables will grow beautifully throughout the summer. If anyone's looking to get water butts in their garden, I would definitely recommend GRAF. They've got a really good wide selection for any garden, big, small, those in between. They've also got a really attractive range of water butts as well. So kind of whatever your style is, you'll definitely find a water butt that will suit your garden.